Jason, oftentimes we're confused in terms of the difference between what is a will and what is a trust.
Yes.
And I'm often confused with that. Can you break it down for us? What's the difference?
Absolutely. I think the best way to look at it is, for folks that come and see us after someone has died, here's how it works. If somebody has nothing in place, we're going to go through probate.
Yeah.
Probate's going to take a year. It's going to be expensive, 5-10% of your estate sometimes. It's public, and you have no control. Okay.
Right.
Scenario 2: somebody comes in, they have a will. A will's a great document. It says who gets what when I die.
Yeah.
Who's in charge of making that happen.
Yeah.
And so you get control. The problem is, you're still going through probate.
Yeah.
Still going through probate because it's just a document that you put in a drawer.
Right.
Okay. It's a powerful document.
And that could be even something that's been officially drafted, or it can be something where a family member just wrote it down on a piece of paper.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a bunch of different ways to make a will legal.
Right.
But it all has the same effect of making sure that your family's going to have to go through probate.
Right.
And the only people that are happy about that are probate lawyers.
Right.
And so we say, wow, I got control with a will. How do I avoid the publicity, the length of time, and the cost of probate? That's what a living trust comes in.
Yeah.
And a living trust, just like a will, is a document that says who gets what when I die, who's in charge of making that happen.
Right.
And the difference is because it takes ownership of property, kind of in a simplistic way, the court has nothing to say about it after someone dies. And so all of the time and expense is eliminated.
Right.
And the publicity, it's why you hear when somebody who's famous passes away, they very rarely seem to have a trust.
Right.
So we always hear about it.
Right.
And so that's the basic difference, really.
Right.
And that's kind of the basis for a lot of what we do is keeping families out of an unnecessarily long process in probate.
Right. So if you have a will and you bring in a will, you're still going to go to probate. But if you have a trust, there's not going to be any probate.
Absolutely. Yep.
Fantastic.